The power seat memory switch is a common fail item on the Macans. While it's easy to replace, the door panel must come off first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Place the door panel face down on a clean, smooth surface to protect it. Unhook the insulation, red arrows, from the door and set it aside. With the insulation out of the way, you can access the switch, red arrow, up by the door handle pull. Disconnect the electrical connection from the switch indicated by the red arrow. There are 4 plastic tabs that hold the switch in place. You want to begin on the top tabs and gently pry them back enough to free the top of the switch, red arrows. Do not break them. When the top of the switch is free, you can slide it up and out from the 2 lower mounts. With the switch removed, you can see the 4 tabs. Use care as you do not want to break these. Installation is the reverse of removal, and the switch just snaps into place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.